Okay, I will upload the record. Okay. Okay. I'll upload the record. Okay.
Okay.
So again, urea, where is urea made? Learn that urea is not made in kidney, it is made in liver. Okay,
Okay.
urea is made in the process when amino acid is broken down, okay, in
Okay.
liver. Okay,
Okay.
it makes urea plus keto acid. Okay,
Okay.
keto acid is like carbohydrate. You can eat, you can use it. Now you try question number 7. The rat has the scientific name Rattus rattus. What do two part of this name refer to? What is the first?
Genus and species.
So A is the correct answer. Okay, look at the diagram. The diagram shows a bird that lives near river. Work out the answer and tell me how you did it.
Okay. Use. Two is joined by a flap of skin. Go to two.
So I will go
Those
to
are
2.
separate.
Okay, I'm in 2
Uh,
now. The toes
yeah.
are jointed. It has webbed feet, right?
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Then
Beak as long or longer than the head. So then
go
go
to
to
3.
3.
Hmm.
Top of the head is black. So then it's an
Correct.
avocate.
Avocet, avocate, whatever the name is, no need to worry about that. Read this. Phototropism. Phototropism is when plant, see, the meaning of phototropism is to respond to light.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Respond to light. So, phototropism demonstrate which, bye ma'am. So, you're done for the day? Enjoy the evening. Phototropism demonstrate which characteristics of living organism. Okay,
Mm,
responding to light. Plant do that. Okay, and then plant
okay.
rotate, change. Okay, so what's the answer then?
So isn't one of it supposed to be sensitivity?
Yes, very good.
But then I don't know how growth
Growth.
would come.
Growth. Plant always makes growth movement. There is only one movement to do, that is growth. Okay, so
Okay.
plant leaf rotates towards the sunlight. Okay.
Okay.
All right. By growing. Only by growing, by the way. Okay. You try now number 10. The table shows scientific name and the names, common names of 4 plants. Okay. Scientific name,
Okay.
common name. All right. Which word is their name show that 2 of the plants shares the greatest number of features?
Um, marsh?
No. Marsh. You said marsh, is it?
Yeah.
No, it is viola because viola is the name of the genus. Scientific name can tell you whether they are related. This violet
Oh, okay.
means nothing, it's just a color. Okay, it is the
Okay.
scientific name. So they have the same genus. Okay, see,
Okay.
in a common example, the genus of a donkey and a genus of a horse is the same, and they are look-alike organism. Correct or not?
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, look, we are very smart, na? Like we know most animals, right? By looks of it,
Yeah.
and that's fine, no problem. But also at the same time, even the same butterfly has 100 different colors. Then we will think that they are all not same, correct or not?
Yeah.
And there are many type of horses. You haven't seen a horse that actually looks like a donkey, by the way. See
Okay.
the thing? So that's why scientific name, only the name of the genus can tell you they're closely related. So C will be the answer. Try for number 11. Okay. So by the way, I'm just making
Yeah.
it practice MCQ because it's just the fastest way to
Okay.
get review. Okay. To get you like the revising. Make sense?
Yeah.
So don't worry about it. If you miss it, no worries.
Okay.
By the
The
way,
equation. Yeah.
if things doesn't get covered up by today, all right, if things don't get covered up by today, all right, we'll see what we can do about, because when is the exam again?
Next Thursday, and we have a class on Wednesday either way.
Perfect. So we will be done anyway.
The equation shows a chemical reaction that occurs in living organisms. Glucose plus oxygen is carbon dioxide plus water.
Hmm.
Which of these characteristics of living organisms is this equation associated with?
Remember, using glucose with oxygen is aerobic respiration. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you burning a food, all right, doesn't matter you use it with oxygen or without oxygen, burning any nutrient molecule like glucose, amino acid to yield energy, that is respiration. Okay.
Yeah.
And all right. So let's say which chemical reaction, okay, which characteristics of living organism is the equation associated with?
Um. So isn't it B, respiration?
Correct. Very good. But not nutrition. Nutrition would be eating food, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, you try the next one, number 12.
What is the correct way of naming an organism using binomial system?
Hmm.
It's-
So, by the way, I will post the revision link, okay? You
Okay.
you try to do the answer. Let me post you the revision link so that later on, even after the lesson is finished, you can keep on practicing question answers from here, because this is the topic you are doing currently. And answers are
Okay.
provided there. So you really don't need 100% of my help to do that. Okay. All right.
Okay.
You see the answer, you try to answer. If you cannot, the more you will practice the multiple choices, the more you will practice the broad questions, the more you will get better at it. And definition, flashcards, summary notes, these are all free material. But you see, one thing
Okay.
I would say, don't, of course, you would get your explanation from your teacher and everything, right? But at the same time, don't leave it totally to your teacher that when my teacher will do, I will do. You will have to put your effort, right? You are the one who wants to do the good result, right?
Yeah.
And so the burden of the, remember, the burden of the learning always lies with the learner. All right.
Okay.
So you need to learn. So you need to do that. Okay, now here, what is the correct way of naming an organism using the binomial naming system?
The first one.
Which one? First one. First
Yeah.
one. Okay. All right. Okay. Why didn't you choose any other one? Can you tell me why B is not correct?
B, the genus name, it's supposed to be in capital.
Okay. And C?
And C, I was confused between A and C because in C, both of the
Hmm.
names are italized and it's kind of similar to A.
Hmm. So A is not a scientific name. C is the scientific name.
Okay. So, but then what's the difference between A and C?
I know. Probably there was any images or something associated to this question or something else, Don't worry.
Okay.
All right. But the second part, you can see this is no, this is incorrect. And you can see this is common buttercup is actually just an English name.
Yeah.
I mean, look, imagine if you are a British, then you would live in England and you would know some plant from England.
Yeah.
And if I were to write down common daisy and then write it in scientific way, then would it like in italics? Would you think that that is something a scientific name? Get it? So
Yeah.
that's how they have given this question probably. And other than that, I really don't see any other reason. Okay, try to do question number 13. The options are visible.
The diagram shows the leaf use the key to identify the plant. to
Hmm.
which the leaf belongs.
Yes.
Leaf is in more than one piece,
Hmm.
and then leaf edge is jagged, so then it's D. Sorbus acuparia.
So which one will
So
be?
it sounds D.
Okay. My question, anytime you give an answer, also tell me why. Why did you choose D?
Because the leaf is in more than one piece,
More
and
than
the
one piece. Good. And
leaf's
then
edge is jagged, and
good.
then so then it's D.
Good. Done. Done. You have done well. Now number 14. Try number 14.
Which are monocotyledons. So I don't know for this one.
Okay, no problem. We see number one is must be monocot because parallel veins. See, one leaf blade. Okay. All right.
Okay.
This must be dicot because broad leaves and branch leaf vein, broad leaves, branch leaf vein. Okay. So if I take number one, B and A and B correct. If I take out number two, already C and D gone. Okay. What do I have? I have option 3 and option 1 and 5. So you can already see option B will be the correct one. Monocot, all right, makes flower
Okay.
threes and fives. Okay, and
Okay.
all right, okay, and dicot makes flowers in like fours and six, like this, like even numbers. Okay. Try this one, number 15. Oftentimes, a B question like this can get you stuck.
Okay. So this shows the scientific names for 8 animals using the binomial system.
Hmm.
Which 2 animals are most closely related?
Remember
Um,
that their genus name must be the same.
Same.
Yes. So options A, B, C. Which one?
So is it B?
Correct. See? Now this thing became obvious for you. Try number
Yeah.
16.
The diagram shows a flower seen from above. Use the key to find the name of the
One moment, please.
family to which it belongs.
Yes.
So 4 petals go to 2 stamens, 6 stamens.
So what's the answer?
B.
Okay. Why B?
It has 4 petals, so then you go to
Okay.
2,
So
and it
four
has
petals, I
six.
will go to two.
Yeah,
Then
6 stamens.
six stamens. Okay. That's why it is B.
Yeah,
Now let's, like some lizard detach their tails when threatened. What is it?
sensitivity.
Okay. The diagram shows a key for five vertebrates. All right, we can see, right? Which
Yeah,
class of vertebrates does W belong to? Please tell me how you have worked it out.
yeah. Pigeon has legs. Does not have any feathers. Has no
Has
scales.
legs, has no feathers, has no scales.
Scales. Amphibians.
Answer is
Amphibians.
okay. Well, how did you come up with the conclusion explanation, please?
Because birds they do have feathers and they don't have legs. Fishes they don't have legs.
Birds have feathers. Fish don't have
Yeah,
legs. All
yeah.
right. And
Reptiles have scales.
see, very nice, very nice. Good thinking. You're doing very well, by the way. So next question I'm skipping because that's just an easy question. Try this
Okay.
one. Bony fish. See, the
What
word
are the
bony fish can get you actually confused. Just remember, bony fish means it has like, vertebrae,
Oh,
all right? A vertebrae. It has vertebrae. Like it's not a squid or something. A squid is bony fish. Yeah. Okay, whatever. No problem. It's okay. Squid is a mollusk. Squid is not fish. Okay.
okay.
Mhm.
Um, maintains body temperature. External layers are present. Jelly covered eggs. Scales. So for this, you just take a normal vertebrate, right? Or
What are the features of the leaves of a plant that is, sorry, please, bony fish, right? Bony fish do
yeah.
not maintain constant body temperature. External ears called pinna. External ears present? No. Jelly covered legs, eggs could be. Scales, yes.
Okay.
Get it? This is how we come
Yeah.
to conclusion like that, okay? Jelly
Okay.
covered eggs, you just think of amphibians maybe because frogs have eggs that are jelly covered. But you see, fish eggs are also sticky, right? They stick to one another.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they are also jelly covered. So number 21. Okay, try this one quickly. Eucotyledon means dicotyledon, okay?
Okay. And that is huge. Um. So I'm not really sure. I don't know this one.
No problem. Do not worry. What are the features of leaves of dicotyledon? Broad leaves is a must. Parallel veins must not be there because parallel veins is only for monocot.
Okay.
Okay, what is a parallel vein? If you draw a leaf like this, the straight lines are what? Parallel veins. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. All right. So B. All right.
Okay.
Okay, try number 21, 22, 22, 23. Try it.
Yeah. Many snakes that belong to the viper family are unusual in that they give birth to live young. This is usually a characteristic of which vertebrate group?
Which vertebrate group?
Snakes.
Giving birth to young is only a characteristic that is associated with
Mm,
mammals.
mammal.
See, that snake is not mammal, but giving birth to babies is like mammals. There are many fish that gives birth to live youngs, but they do not feed their youngs with milk. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So feeding the young with milk associated with mammals. Mammals or mammalian, the word that means they nurture their young with milk. Okay?
Okay.
Now, uh, here, number 23, give it a try.
Yeah. Use the
I
key
mean,
to
you have
identify which.
dichotomous key, right? And then these are like very good practice for dichotomous key. Keep doing.
Okay. Use the key to identify which group is amphibian. Hair
Mm.
present. Go to mammals. Hair absent.
Go to 2.
Go to two.
Then says go to
Feathers. Feathers present. Could be present.
absent. It will be feathers absent.
Yeah.
Go to
So the
3.
moist skin.
Go to 4.
Yeah. So then forelimbs.
Yes, amphibians have 4 limbs.
Forelimbs.
So group C would be your correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, try this number 4. Try.
The diagram illustrates some of the processes carried out by a living organism. Which characteristic of living organism is represented by arrow X? Oxygen. Oxygen from atmosphere. Nutrition. So isn't it nutrition?
Hmm?
Isn't it nutrition?
This one, X is nutrition, correct. So green plants produces, let's say, corn or maize or something like that, and chickens eat it. So nutrition, very good. Okay. I think few left, only few left. Okay. Number 25,
Okay.
give it a try.
What is the correct way of naming species according to the binomial system? The first one.
Okay. Why you did not choose second one?
The second one, because both the genus and the species are in capital. It's only supposed to be the genus in capital.
Okay, very good. Now, number 26. Give the answer. The diagram shows four arthropods. How many of these arthropods are insect? To become insect, you need to have three pairs of legs. That is the most visible characteristics that you would see. Okay.
What's it?
Arachnids have four pairs of legs and crustaceans have shells. Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
then, is it the first two?
Yes, my dear. Which one? How many? Which one is the answer? One.
The first two.
First two, correct. These two are insects. Of course, this is the obvious. And this is obvious because it has three pairs of legs. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, three pairs of legs, three segmented body. This is the key. Okay. Here, four
Okay.
pairs of leg. Okay. Meaning this is actually as like a arachnid. Okay. And this one is a crustacean. I mean, you can even visibly tell that this is a crustacean, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. So B is your answer. Okay.
Okay.
27. Try answering number 27. Give reason for your answer.
Okay. The key can be used to distinguish between four different chemical substances. Use the key to identify which substance would be a protein.
Hmm.
Which substance could be a protein? Code contains the element carbon. Code 2 does not contain it. So I don't know this. Which substance could be a protein?
Yes, sir. Number 27. What's your answer?
Yeah, sir, I don't know
No problem.
this.
You try like this. The key can be used to distinguish between four chemical substances. Use it to identify which substance is a protein. Contains the element carbon, go to 2. Of course, protein contains. Look, protein contains a unit of amino acid. This is how amino acid looks like.
Okay.
Minimum presence. This is the minimum protein, okay? Amino acid. And this is, you're looking at the structure of glycine. Not that you need to know about it. Nitrogen is present, oxygen is present, carbon is present. Sorry. Hydrogen is present. Okay.
Okay.
We'll go to 2. Contains the element nitrogen. B. See that?
Yeah.
Not very difficult. How can a year 10er do difficult questions anyway? Understand?
Yeah.
The state, you will learn slowly, of course, you will get better at it after you are in year 11. You're supposed to do 2 years of the same material, isn't it? The
Yeah.
statements describe 4 different plants. Which plant must be monocot? Tell which one is monocot.
Flowers which are pollinated, which have 5 petals. Clear network of veins in the so monocotyledons are the ones which can have flowers, right?
Okay. Monocots have flower, of course.
Mm, mm,
5 petals. Flowers can have 5
oh,
petals.
okay.
Remember?
So I keep getting confused with the monocotyledon ones. The flowering plants and non-flowering plants.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing for me. The rest, other classifications, when it comes to animals, it's fine. But the
Oh, no, no.
plants are a bit
Here,
confusing.
here, here. Say, they said must be monocot. Flowers can have 5 petals. That's fine. That's a monocot. But must be monocot is this one.
Oh, okay.
Remember, I drew with the picture for you. Yes. Number 29. Give it a try. The diagram shows an animal.
Use the key to identify this animal. Body covered with hair. Go to 3. Has webbed feet. C.
C is the answer. 29, right?
Yeah.
Correct. C is a correct answer. So how did you go to the answer? Can you tell?
Yeah. The first the body is covered with hair. So then go to 3. It has webbed feet. So then the answer C.
Perfect. You did great. Okay, so look, there are many more questions here. All right. Mm,
Okay.
Like, do you want to do some structured questions? That's what I'm asking. Or do you
Okay.
would you like prefer MCQ as a practice for now? It's up to you to decide.
So we could do some structured because I think the test is going to be structured.
Not MCQ.
There's going to be MCQ and structured.
So basically, look, I have already posted you this link.
Yeah.
So you should try and do the questions, those that are related to the topic that we are talking. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So when you download the question, you'll see maybe number 1, number 2 questions that don't look alike. Like here is an example. They said this is a electron micrograph of bacteria, Vibrio cholera. All right. And then
Okay.
give you like things like bacteria are prokaryotes, state 2 distinguishing features of all prokaryotes. Okay, first of all,
Okay.
distinguishing feature will be no nucleus, number 1. Remember, we learned about this many times. And the other distinguishing feature will be, all right, they have,
Um. So I
they,
just remember that prokaryotes they don't. Oh wait, no. That's the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes.
yeah, so you can say they have no mitochondria, no chloroplast,
Hello.
Yeah, I think that I read they don't have any
It's okay. You can keep your video closed. Today, I'm recording the class, Hanitra. You can keep your video closed.
Okay.
How did you come up with the same picture for your profile?
I don't know. I like the profile picture, so I stole it.
So no mitochondria. Okay, things like that. By the way, these questions are not part of the chapter characteristics and classification. If your teacher ends up giving this, he might have just copied it from somewhere where he just saw it. All right, these are from different chapter. Okay, so you should avoid them. It is this question that is from this chapter. Figure 2, see figure 5. This figure shows 5 species of mollusk. Here is their dichotomous key. All right. Can you tell which is which species?
mm. So do I say or
Sorry.
do I answer it?
Anyone can answer. Harshvita can answer. Hanitra can answer. Okay.
Please.
Just try and answer.
Okay. So for the first one, is it 2A? Oh, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, is the first one 2A?
So you said the first one is 2A.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if your first one is correct. Limax flavus, body not completely covered or partly covered with shell. This one, right? No, this is
No, the one below it.
so it's a B
Oh,
is,
I did it for A.
or you did for A, which is
Yeah.
2A.
Yeah.
A is 2A, correct.
Then
Anitra and Hashmita, you can give it a try. Okay, Akshara, please tell us how you are working it out.
yeah, A,
No,
the
A is done.
body,
A is done. Describe how you're doing the rest of them.
the rest of them, for example, for B,
Uh-huh.
the body is covered completely with shell.
Okay.
Not completely, but partly. So then you
Yeah.
go to 2.
We go to
So
2.
then, since there is no thread uh,
Mm-hmm.
attached to the shell, so then
Okay.
you go to 3.
Okay.
The shell, I mean, is a spire that comes.
It comes to
There
a.
is, yeah, so then it's, so isn't it supposed to be B? Because there isn't a spiral or anything.
So here you see in the 3A, it comes to a point. You can see, right?
Oh, okay.
Hmm. So in that way, this is B.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Hashmita, answer.
I'm here, so I'll answer instead.
Try C. Which one is C? Tell me how you worked it out.
Okay, 2, and then I'll go. What does it mean, like attached to rocks by thin threads? Does it mean that it has like? Okay, I get it now.
Mm-hmm. Tell me how you were working out the answer.
Okay, so the C, the creature is not is the creature is complete the partially covered by a shell. So I'll go to 2, and it's not attached. It doesn't have any thin thread. So I'll go to 3, and then I will go to 3, and I don't think it has a spire that comes to a point. So I'll go to 4. Wait, does it? It
Yes,
doesn't.
it has a spire but doesn't come to a point. You are right. So go to 4 then.
Um, There's no tentacles.
Oh, sorry.
What does it mean, tentacles? There are no tentacles.
These are tentacles.
Oh, then it's Then it's B. 4B.
Oh, no, these are tentacles. My bad. Oh, one more time. These are tentacles. These are not tentacles. Oh,
Yeah, then
that's two tentacles. Yes. So 4B. Very good. Very good. Okay. These are also tentacles, and this is also tentacles. My bad. All right.
I thought it was like that.
Okay. So the next one is okay. So now Hanitra, try for number D.
Okay, number D. So it's partially covered by a shell, or I think
Isn't
it's
it the
fully.
same person?
Yeah.
So before where is Harshvita?
She's in the washroom, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, which one is number D? Just tell me.
Okay, then partially covered by a shell. Two. It's not. I think so. No, it doesn't. Okay, three. No. It's 4A.
Huh? 4A. 4
Yeah.
4A.
Yeah.
Oh, 4A is D. Okay, this is E. All right, you guys did well. Let's move on. Here, they said state two features that are shown by all mollusks. Okay, now this one, Harshvita can try.
1 minute.
Oh, she's not here. Okay, this one, Akshara can try.
Okay, state two features that are shown by
All
all
mollusks.
mollusks. So what are mollusks?
Isn't mollusks like something
Huh?
like for sea creatures?
Oh, बंद है अच्छा ठीक है फिर कोई बात नहीं
I
हाँ
think they all have shells, but I'm not sure. I'll see.
all mollusk. Yes, shown by all mollusk. Can you tell? Look, this is a mollusk. Tell.
Um,
What's that? Soft body.
yeah.
Okay.
And so what are those two things on their head?
Tentacles. They all have tentacles.
They all have tentacles? Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, they don't all have tentacles. Does a worm have tentacles, earthworm or something? No, mollusk, right? Not all
But it's
mollusks have
mollusks.
tentacles. Not all mollusks have tentacles. They have slimy body, that's correct.
Okay, so smooth, slimy body and tentacles.
So one is soft
Decided.
body, one is soft body.
Mute it.
The other one is they all have muscular foot or slimy body. अब अंदर
Why
पे
slimy body, sir?
Okay. Sorry, one more time.
Why slimy body?
Slimy,
Like soft body.
slimy body is also correct. Yeah. Okay. All mollusks are slimy. Name one. Think of one. Can you think of one example? And then search it online. Check. Okay, let's move on. All right. 1.1 shows 7 different species of amphibian. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, and this is the list. Okay, I think you guys are really good at already finding out the dichotomous key. So I'll just skip that. Is that okay? Hello?
Sir, could you repeat what you were saying?
I'm saying you guys are already good at doing dichotomous key.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
I skip this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Many amphibian species throughout the world are endangered. Suggest three reasons why amphibian species are endangered. This is not part of this chapter, by the way. But if the question teacher gives, you will be in trouble. Would you like to give answer to this? Whenever the question says suggest, you actually have to think out of the box. Okay, just remember, see, throughout the world, the number of forest is decreasing. So we can just simply say deforestation as a first word. Okay. It is from a different chapter, by the way, I already told you. Another thing is hunting. You know, people like to keep
But
pets.
this is amphibian species. I think they're all going to end up like frogs. So like, sorry, fish. Um.
No, you see, you don't understand it. Some cultures do eat frogs a lot. Okay.
Hmm?
Might not be any culture that you lived with, but there are cultures those that eat frogs a lot. Okay. So they might just simply hunt it for food. Number three, we can say like lack of food or starvation, right? Because if you deforest it, then there will be no food. So they will die because of lack of food. Here is another dichotomous key. Okay. Now you guys are really good with name the vertebrate group that contains a lizard. Can you try? Harshvita gives the answer. She's not there, is she?
Frog beater. I love the frog.
Hashuta, shut up.
Oh my bad.
Okay,
Which
name the
vertebrate
vertebrate
group
group that
lizard belongs to?
what? Well, this one's for you.
Which
Shut
what?
up. Vertebrate group.
What?
The
Come on,
ones
read
with the
it.
spines. Which vertebrate group? Inside. Sorry. Um.
Lizard belongs
Wait.
to
Where
group?
did? Huh?
Huh? Sorry?
I think you gonna cut. Your audio got cut. What
Reptiles.
did you say, sir?
Can you hear? Reptiles.
Oh, okay, reptiles.
Okay, here. The conserving. This is not part of this chapter. Conservation is a different chapter, okay? Something we have to avoid. Sexual reproductions, isolated sexual reproduction, term meiosis. Unfortunately, you will get a lot of mixed up questions, okay? Okay, tell this one. This is from our chapter. State three features of all myriapods that are visible in this diagram. Myriapods. Akshara, try.
I was.
Akshara, look, all of them has antenna. See that?
Yeah. Sir.
All of them has many segmented body. See that?
Yeah.
All of them has many pairs of leg. See that? Jointed legs, right?
Yeah.
You need to tell those, okay? All right.
Okay.
So antenna, all right. And then segmented body, many segmented body, many segments. And then jointed legs. No worries. You know, try and get better but also learn at the same way, all right, how you will do this kind of questions. Describe 3 features of myriapods that could be used to make dichotomous key to distinguish between 4 species. Okay. Here, you can see the diagram. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell now 3 features of myriapods that could be used to make a dichotomous key to distinguish between the 4 species. Try. You tell, answer, all right? Anyone can try. Anitra can try, Hashwita can try. Tell me if the answer matches, I will write here. There are many points, by the way. There are like 14 points that you can use. So don't be worried, just tell a point. How can we distinguish between them?
So actually, can you go back to the previous thing? I couldn't take a screenshot because when I tried to, I closed my tablet.
iPad is like really stupid. When you try to take a screenshot, the tablet closes. Okay. Here. Now, describe 3 features of myriapods that could be used to make a dichotomous. Okay, what is the point number 1? Which one can be used? Give answer, quick, quick, quick.
Sir, what do you call different number of body parts? They have different segments.
Number of body parts.
You mean like
what you
the
meaning is length
segments?
of body? You're meaning length of body?
Yeah, they have
Okay, so length of
EDEXCEL.
body. Okay, fine. Length
no,
of,
I think it's what do you call it? Should I bring my biology book?
length of body
Is
is correct, Babat. So दूसरा बोलो now. Now tell the next one.
So
Oh, yeah.
antennas.
Antennas. Length of antennas. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Because they have different length
But
of.
there's like 3. Okay.
Then the number of legs.
Number of legs.
Pairs of legs.
No,
Alright.
they are.
Total number of legs. Number of okay, number of legs. This is correct. Why you?
How, sir? But there are like many feet. Like usually you keep it short, right?
No. You see how you can distinguish between them. You can distinguish with the antennas. You can see the different length of antennas, like the so big, so less small. You can do it like counting the number length. This one is smaller. These two are like relatively larger, right? Okay. Then you can see 2 legs per segment. How many legs? Many legs are 2 legs per segment. Multiple legs per segment. Only 1 leg per segment. See? All right. Number of legs. Of course, we can also do by number of legs. Okay. See that? Don't hesitate. I already told you there are 14 correct answers. Okay. By the way, I have given you the link. Thank you, Didi. Okay. ये मैं फेंक देगा नहीं कुछ नहीं खाना नहीं कुछ नहीं खाना मैं जाके खाएगा थैंक यू Okay, so please follow that particular link that I have given you. Go through each of the question with the mark scheme and try and answer them. Anyone that you find it difficult, remember, not all of the questions are from your chapter. If it doesn't look like from your chapter, don't do it, skip it, okay? All right?
Okay.
So state the part of the, okay, state the part of the cells that contains most of DNA. Which part of the cell contains most of DNA?
The
Please be
nucleus.
quicker. Yes, please be quicker in answering the question. Okay. Describe the roles of soil organism in the carbon cycle, blah, blah, blah. This one finished, okay? This one finished. They don't draw away. These are not from this chapter, okay? These are not from, carbon cycle is not from this chapter. These things are not from this chapter. Okay. I have given you a demo of a MCQ. I have recorded the lesson so that Hanitra and Ashwita can follow that. And I also
Okay.
have given you the link that you will get your materials from for your revision. So please do your due diligence and
So there's actually no link in the chat. Do you mean like link in the WhatsApp?
yes, my dear, link in WhatsApp. Do you want the link in
Okay,
the chat?
uh,
I think I have pasted. Yes, the link is in the chat as well. Follow it. Okay.
I was actually looking for places to revise in for like I have an exam for psychology and computer science is my latest one. I also have like other the subjects too. But when one place I looked, it asked me to pay for my the revision subject. Save my exams asked me to pay.
No, not save my exams. I have given you from physicsmathtutor.com. Try from there, okay? I've given you link from physicsmathtutor.com. All right?
All right.
Yes. And your psychology is AQA. I don't believe it's Cambridge. It's AQA, right?
No, I think it's like all I know that is EDEXCEL.
Oh, EDEXCEL psychology, is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
don't
I posted it. All right. Let me know what you need help on. Okay. I mean, we also have another lesson before the exam, so we'll do more. All right. Okay, guys. See you in the next lesson then. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.